Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to set up OBS Studio to create polished educational videos. Let's get started by downloading OBS Studio. First, open any browser on your computer. Go to obsproject.com and download OBS Studio for your operating system from there. Once downloading is completed, click on the downloaded file. The installation process is simple, so just follow the prompts to get OBS up and running. Once installation is complete, click on Finish to launch OBS Studio. First, add your webcam by clicking the plus button in the sources box. Then, selecting Video Capture Device. Click OK and select your webcam from the drop-down. Click OK to add your webcam. Now, to make the webcam circular, we need to download an image file. I will give the link in the description. We will use a technique called a mask filter. Right click on your webcam source and click on filters. In the effects filter, click on plus icon and select image mask or blend. Click OK. Here you will need to select an image that will act as a mask for your webcam. I will select the downloaded image here and click close. This will instantly give you a circular webcam feed. You can adjust the size and position of the webcam as needed. Now you have a clean and professional look for your webcam. Next, add your microphone. Click on the plus sign in the sources box and select audio input capture. Click OK. From there, select your microphone. Click OK and your microphone is added. Right click on your mic and click on filters. Click on the plus icon in audio filters and select noise suppression. Click OK. There are two options for noise suppression: RN noise, which is more advanced, and speaks, which is lighter on system resources. For best results, I recommend using RN noise as it's more effective at removing unwanted background sounds. Now close this window, and noise suppression should automatically start filtering out background noise during your recordings. Next, let's set up your screen for recordings. Click on the plus icon in the sources. There are two options to record your screen. First, display capture, and second, window capture. If you are showing slides or demonstrating something on your computer, you will need to add a display capture. This will record everything on your screen. Click on display capture and OK. From there, select your monitor in the display drop down and click OK. Now drag the display capture layer to the bottom. This will show your webcam on the top of your screen. Alternatively, if you only want to capture a specific window, like a PowerPoint presentation, select Window Capture. This is great for focusing on a specific app or software without showing everything else on your desktop. Once you have set up your screen, webcam and mic, you are ready to start recording your content. To start recording, just click on the Start Recording button. OBS will capture everything from your webcam, your microphone, and your screen. Once you are done, click Stop Recording and your video will be saved in the Videos folder of your computer. Here are a few tips to ensure your content is professional and engaging. Good lighting is essential for high quality recordings. Use soft lighting in front of your face and avoid backlighting. Keep your slides simple and easy to follow. Avoid overcrowding them with too much text or information. Aim for clear, concise bullet points and use visuals like charts and diagrams to illustrate your points. Do a dry run of your presentation before recording the final version. This will help you iron out any technical issues and ensure smooth delivery. Consider using a dedicated microphone or headset for better sound quality. Background noise can be distracting, so try to record in a quiet environment. And that's it. You have now got a polished setup for recording educational videos using OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on creating high quality educational content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy recording.